What if your body didn't have to brace for impact anymore? Imagine being able to enjoy life without constantly scanning and preparing for what might go wrong. This marks the completion of 100 Days, 100 Scrap Blocks Pursuit 2025, a pursuit that was never just about sewing. Over these 100 days, especially the last 50, we explored what really means to live, feel, and choose after survival. We talked about bracing for impact, family trauma, grief, loss, divorce, cancer, emotional boundaries. We talked about receiving blessings without guilt, about safety, belonging, and discernment in relationships, about becoming the woman your old self prayed for. And again, we chose beauty, not instead of the hard things, but inside them. Along the way, so many of you shared messages like, I needed to hear this. This helped me name something I've carried for years. Thank you for listening. It was exactly what I needed. That's how I knew this work mattered. Not because it was perfect, my friend, but because it was real. These scrap blocks became a way to integrate with awareness, curiosity, and compassion. A way to talk to ourselves differently. A way to stop using tools that numb or distract, and instead use creativity to enrich, illuminate, and strengthen our lives. And because everything that emerged here, I created a workshop focused on one powerful question. What if I didn't have to brace for impact anymore? It is called From Survival to Strength, and it explores how we stop living on alert and begin practicing emotional fitness through creativity. Not to fix ourselves, not to relive the past, but to learn what emotional safety feels like in the body and how to choose it in real time. You will find all the details in the description below, including the link to the workshop live. Last year's pursuit ends here, but the practice continues. Over the coming months, we will be exploring projects you can create from these blocks and new conversations that build on everything we've learned. Thank you so much for being here, for showing up, for feeling deeply, for choosing to live with more intention, presence, and strength. Stay tuned. I will be sharing the projects created from these blocks very soon. And when they are ready, you will find them right here. Come sew with me, keep choosing yourself, and keep practicing emotional fitness.